Everyone, in this session we will discuss about the comparison between artificial neurons and biological neurons. So coming to the characteristics, first characteristic, so we will discuss regarding the speed. So in artificial neurons, the processing speed or the execution speed will be done within nanoseconds, means artificial neurons are faster in processing the information compared with biological neurons. Why? Because in biological neurons, so the execution takes place within milliseconds. Okay, the execution speed will be within milliseconds, whereas in artificial neurons it will be in nanoseconds. So the first characteristic, that is regarding the speed, the artificial neurons are faster than the biological neurons. That is regarding the first characteristic. Okay. And coming to the second characteristic, that is processing. So the artificial neurons are processed or executed sequentially. That is, one after the other. First we will execute an instruction, and after completion of executing that instruction, the second instruction will be executed. That is what happens in artificial neural network. Coming to the biological neural network, means our human brain. So we operate different operations parallelly. We the human beings, so we already know that in our brain we will perform or we will process multiple operations or parallel operations or different operations parallelly. So here the processing is done sequentially in artificial neurons, whereas in biological neurons it is performed parallelly. Okay, that is the second characteristic. Coming to the third characteristic, it is regarding the size and complexity. Okay, so here the size of a biological neural network is more than the artificial neural network. Okay, why? Because we can't involve more computational neurons, cannot be involved. Okay, and coming to the complexity also, the complexity, so means, so the biological neurons are capable of working on different complex operations or different complex tasks compared with the artificial neural network. So that is regarding the third one, that is size and complexity. Coming to the fourth one, it is about storage. So the information stored in artificial neural network is through external devices. So we know different external devices. The devices which can be connected externally are called as external devices. So like a hard disk, pen drive, CDs, floppies, etc. So here what the author is telling is the artificial neural network. In artificial neural network, the information or the memory or the data stored, it can be replaceable. Whereas in biological neural network, so everything is stored within the brain itself. In brain, where it will be stored? It will be stored in the interconnection. Interconnection is nothing but the place where two neurons are connected. We have already discussed that the place where two neurons are connected is called as synapse. Synapse is a place where two neurons are connected. How two neurons are connected? The dendrite of one neuron is connected with the axon of another neuron. The place where those two neurons are connected is called as synapse. As we keep on increasing the amount of memory stored in our brain, as we keep on increasing the memory, so the synapse will be strengthened. That's what the author is telling. The information is stored in the strengths of the interconnection. Okay, that is regarding the fourth characteristic, that is storage. Coming to the fifth one, it is fault tolerance. So ANNs are not fault tolerant, means, so if there is any information is corrupted in the artificial neural network, if anything goes wrong, or if the network, if some part of the artificial neural network is collapsed, or if anything goes wrong, so the information cannot be retrieved from the memory. That is the drawback of artificial neural network. Whereas in the biological neural network, though some part of the information is corrupted, there is no problem. So we can extract the information. That is regarding the fifth characteristic, that is fault tolerance. Coming to the last one, it is nothing but control mechanism. So there is a control unit which controls and coordinates all the activities that takes place within the network, within the artificial neural network. That is what we have in ANN. In ANN, we have a control unit which controls and coordinates all the activities that takes place within the network. Whereas in biological neural network, there is no specific control mechanism. Okay. So with this, we will wind up the session regarding artificial neurons and biological neurons difference. Okay. Thank you.